Hey everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll be showing you exactly how to print an envelope in Google Docs, step by step. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, open a blank document in Google Docs. To do that, go to Google Apps and select Docs from the list of apps. Once your document is open, click on Extensions in the top menu bar. Step 3. From the Extensions menu, select Create and Print Labels. Step 4. Now click on Create Labels. If you don't have the Label Maker add-on installed yet, you'll be prompted to do so. After it's installed, close the document and reopen it for the add-on to load. You might need to refresh the page for the sidebar to appear properly. In the sidebar that appears, click on Select a Template. From the options, choose Envelopes from the most popular templates. Next, you'll need to select the size of your envelope. You'll see options like DL or size 10 envelopes, so choose whichever size fits your needs. Step 9. Once you've selected the envelope size, click on Use to apply your chosen size. Now it's time to design your envelope. Enter the recipient's address in the designated area. You can customize the font, color, and alignment using the Google Docs formatting options. Step 11. When you're happy with how your envelope looks, click on Create Envelopes to generate your envelope design. Now go to the File menu in the top left corner of Google Docs. Click on Print to print your envelopes. Make sure everything looks right in the print preview and then hit Print to start printing. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you print your envelopes with ease.